Good day to all. In this particular video, we will look into the details of lipids. Now, if we talk about where lipids are present, whether in acid insoluble pool or soluble pool, then lipids are present in insoluble pool. So, lipids are an exception. These have molecular weight of less than 800 daltons, but still these are present in acid insoluble pool because these form small vesicles and which are stuck in retentate or acid insoluble pool part. Now, if we talk about lipids, since the molecular weight is less than 800 daltons, then we will call it micromolecules. These will not be the polymers because these are small molecules. Now, coming to the solubility of lipids, lipids are insoluble in water, but these are soluble in some organic solvents. Talking about the type of lipids, the simple lipids can be in the form of fatty acids as well as these can be in the form of glycerol. Talking about the fatty acids, the structure of fatty acids, then in fatty acids, we will have a carboxyl, that is COOH group. With this carboxyl group, a R group will be attached to it. So, this particular structure will be of a fatty acid. Now, what is this R group? In R group, there will be chain of carbon atoms, and here the number of carbon atoms in R can be 1 to 19. So, if one carbon is present, then obviously it will be the methyl group. If two carbons are present, then it will be the ethyl group, or similarly higher number of carbon atoms can be present in it. So, this is the general structure of fatty acids. Talking about the type of fatty acids, there can be two types. There can be saturated fatty acids as well as there can be unsaturated fatty acids. If only single bonds are present in chain, then we call it saturated fatty acid, and if any double bond comes in the chain, then we call it unsaturated fatty acid. Palmitic acid is example of saturated fatty acid, so it will have only single bonds. But arachidonic acid, it is an example of unsaturated fatty acid, so it will have double bonds present in it. If we talk about number of carbon atoms, then palmitic acid is 16 carbon atom fatty acid and arachidonic acid is 20 carbon atom unsaturated fatty acid. Talking about the structure, palmitic acid has 16 carbons, but in this 16 carbons, we also include the carbon of carboxyl group. So, one carbon will be present in this carboxyl group. So, the R group over here will have 15 carbon atoms. So, one carbon is present here, 14 carbons are present here. So, 15 and 1 total will be 16. So, whenever counting of carbon atoms is done in fatty acids, we also include the carbon atom of carboxyl group. After fatty acid, glycerol can also work as a lipid. If we see into the structure of glycerol, then glycerol has 3 carbon atoms as we see in this particular structure. It also has 3 OH groups which are present over here. Talking about its name, so glycerol, we can call it trihydroxypropane.